Hi there. We love our little red Mixpresso. We've had 3 of these same models, only this was our first red one. But here's what's going on with it. I'll show you. Try to watch through my camera. Open it up. We push them down here just so that it's less everything on the hinge. And so then, and this is actually, okay, let's do that again. Here we go. You saw my sink full of dirty dishes, didn't you? But let's see, I've got enough water all the way to the top. Doo-doo-doo. Takes a little while. I love this. We love it. So you pushed it, you went away into your bathroom, you're doing what you have to do in the morning when you first wake up. And you come back. And you have less than a half a cup of coffee. Way down there. So I just wanted to show that we have our warranty, and I wanted to show what was going on. You have to go back and push it again, and I have a bigger mug, so I have to push it 3 times. I don't mind weak coffee, I'd rather have more. So I just wanted to make this video and show you it's not making enough in a cup, but we love it.